In this video, I'm going to start from this jacket sketch, generate a clean back view, add a graphic to the back, and then turn the whole thing into a short animation. We'll start in Sketch to Render with a jacket sketch. This can be hand-drawn or an Illustrator sketch. The sketch is 2D, black and white, and an apparel sketch. I want the output to be Ghost Mannequin. After I upload the sketch, Describe Image and Prompt Assist will pop up. These two assistants read the input image and suggest prompts. I'll edit my prompt so it notes the fabric and color I want. In this case, dark brown leather. And I'll click Generate. The front view will become our ending frame later when we animate. I'll save this front view to my library and move on to multi-view. In multi-view, I simply have to choose the desired angle. From here, I'll grab that sketch from the folder in my library and drag and drop it into the reference image box. I'll choose Back View and Generate. If I like the back view as is, I can stop here, but I also want to add a graphic. I'll choose to open an image editor from the three dots. Then I'll choose Apply Graphic and upload my RaspberryAI logo, using the transform controls to resize and place it. Then I'll apply. Once I pick my best option, I'll go to Edit AI Prompts. Here's where I'll type, change logo to embossed leather, and use Prompt Assist to improve my prompt. While that's generating, I'll read the prompt. Replace the large black graphic on the back of the jacket with an embossed leather version of the same design, making it appear raised from the surface. Maintain the rich dark brown color and textured grain of the leather, ensuring the overall composition and shadows stay identical to the original photo. Now I get a realistically embossed back view. I'm going to merge all, rename, and save this as the bomber jacket back view. Then I'll save to my library. This will be the ending frame for my animation. With both the starting and end frame saved, I'm ready to animate. In Animate, I'll use two frames. The starting frame is the original sketch to render output, which I'll drag and drop from my library, and the ending frame is the edited back view with the graphic applied. I'll prompt to rotate the jacket 180 degrees and pause at the end frame, and use Prompt Assist to improve the prompt. I'll choose the 5-second video length and generate. This gives us a front-to-back animation that highlights the embossed graphic, and I'll play that a couple more times. I like the video, but I want to showcase the back graphic, so I'll add on a static image at the end that will play for 5 seconds. Since I have a little time left, to finish the asset, I'll upload an MP4 file to add audio. I can easily add a backing track to help the animation feel finished and ready to share. I can download as individual videos or as one video with the audio. That's the full workflow, from sketch to animated jacket with a back graphic, all inside Raspberry AI. Give it a try.